Smart QR Code for WordPress. In today's digital world, connecting your online audience has never been easier or smarter. Introducing the Smart QR Code for WordPress, your all-in-one solution to create, customize, and display stunning QR codes on your website automatically. Whether you run a blog, a business site, or a WooCommerce store, this powerful plugin transforms ordinary links into beautifully designed QR codes instantly. With just one click, every page, post, and product gets its own unique QR code, no manual setup required. Your visitors can scan and share your content effortlessly, bringing more engagement and accessibility to your brand. But why settle for plain black and white QR codes? With Smart QR Code for WordPress, you can design your QR codes to match your brand perfectly. Choose from multiple modern styles, circular, square, dotted, or rounded, and customize colors to align with your website's theme. Make every QR code not just functional, but visually appealing. Want full control over placement? You can display your QR codes automatically below your content, or manually place them anywhere using a simple shortcode. It's that flexible. From blog articles to landing pages, every piece of content can now carry its own smart, scannable identity. Running an online store. Take your WooCommerce experience to the next level with complete QR code integration. Each product automatically gets a shareable QR code, perfect for packaging, marketing materials, or even in-store displays. With Smart QR Code for WordPress, connecting offline and online customers has never been this seamless. Beautiful, smart, automated. Bring your brand to life with Smart QR Code for WordPress, where design meets functionality. Get started today and make your WordPress site smarter, more interactive, and truly unforgettable.